Let's understand logical function AND. Whenever we want to have multiple conditions to be true at a time and want to have output depending on those conditions, we use function AND. Here we have a table of students' marks in front of you. We have 4 subjects and marks of each students below, and here in this row we have average of students mark below in each subject. This is for subject 2, this is for average for subject 2. If you look at the function, it is average of marks of students here below. Likewise, we have 4 subjects, mark of each student below and average of respective subject at the top. And we want to categorize student here in such a way that in category A and B in such a way that if student is having marks greater than or equal to average in all the subjects, the student to be treated in category A. And if he is not having marks in all the subjects greater than average marks, it should be treated in category B. To understand the function, let's see. We will write a formula. Syntax is equal to if open bracket A and D. These functions in Excel are not case sensitive, so writing in small case would also work as well as in capital case. Open bracket for AND function. What are our conditions? Marks in subject 1 is greater than or equal to average marks. Second condition, marks in subject 2 is greater than or equal to average of that mark, comma, marks in subject 3 is greater than or equal to average in subject 3. And last condition is comma, marks in subject 4 greater than or equal to subject average of subject in 4. Now we have all 4 conditions. Close the bracket. What we expect is if all these conditions are true, means first part of if statement, whatever you want against condition to be true, so we expect that it should be A. Otherwise part is B. Now is syntax right? Just check it. If you enter, you will get the output. If your syntax is right, then only you drag it for rest of the cells. Here in this case, still we have not correct syntax. Why? If you look at the syntax therein in the bracket of AND, all the time we want to refer the values in these cells for respective cells in the column. So you have to make it absolute. How to make it absolute? Select the cell address, press function F4, I7, F4, J7, F4, K7, F4. Now ensure H9, I9, J9, K9 relative references. For top part H7, I7, J7 and K7 relative references. It is absolute references. And now the condition. Earlier, since the syntax was wrong or you have not made it absolute, you have wrong values here in below. You drag it for rest of the cells. Respective students you will get A. There is only one student who is having marks greater than average mark. For rest of the students, they must be having marks less than average in one of the subject. To understand syntax, I am repeating in front of you, is equal to if in the bracket and conditions, list of conditions separated by comma, H9 greater than or equal to H7. Here absolute referencing. I9 greater than or equal to I7, absolute referencing. J9 greater than or equal to J7, absolute referencing. K9 greater than or equal to K7, absolute referencing. First part, if the condition is true, that is A. Second part, in if statement, condition is false. This is how it works.